Welcome to Earn More Better Future. If you're ready to take control of your money and future, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell so you never miss the next powerful tip. Today, we're breaking down how to protect your crypto with a hardware wallet, step by step. Let's get real. Crypto is risky, and the headlines don't lie. Prices can swing wildly, and scams or hacks are always in the news. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or even scared about what could happen to your hard-earned money. But you can protect yourself, and it starts with understanding the basics of security. Taking a few smart steps can make a huge difference in keeping your assets safe. You've probably heard the phrase, "Not your keys, not your crypto." It's more than a saying, it's a rule to live by in the crypto world. If you leave your coins on an exchange, you don't control them. The exchange does. That means your assets are only as safe as the platform you trust. Exchanges are big targets for hackers, and history shows that even the biggest names can get breached. If they get hit, your money could vanish in an instant, leaving you with little recourse. The solution? Be your own bank. Take responsibility for your crypto and put security in your own hands. Take control by holding your own keys. With a hardware wallet, you're the only one with access to your funds. It's not just about picking the right coin, it's about securing your whole portfolio, no matter how big or small. Learning to protect your assets is the best investment you'll ever make. Knowledge is power, especially in crypto. This guide will show you step by step how to lock down your crypto. No jargon, just a simple plan anyone can follow. By the end, you'll know why a hardware wallet is essential, how to set it up, and how to use it with confidence. Ready to take charge of your financial future? It's time to put the power back in your hands. Let's dive in and make your crypto truly yours. Your security starts now. Let's get started. So, what's a hardware wallet? If you're new to crypto, you might have heard the term, but wondered what makes it so important. Think of it as a tiny, ultra-secure vault for your crypto keys. A physical device designed to keep your digital assets safe from prying eyes. It stores your private keys completely offline, far away from hackers, malware, and any online threats that could compromise your funds. Unlike software wallets or exchanges, your keys never touch the internet, making it nearly impossible for cybercriminals to access them remotely. That's called cold storage, and it's widely considered the gold standard for crypto security, trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a hardware wallet, only you can approve transactions using physical buttons or a secure screen to confirm every move. No company can freeze your funds, and no hacker can drain your account remotely. Your assets stay under your control at all times. If you're serious about crypto, a hardware wallet isn't just a good idea. It's essential for true peace of mind and long-term protection. Take control. Protect your investment. Make security your top priority. Where you buy your hardware wallet is critical. Only buy directly from the official manufacturer's website, never from Amazon, eBay, or third-party sellers. Scammers tamper with devices and preload them with recovery phrases they know, letting them steal your funds. Official sources guarantee your wallet is factory sealed and safe. Inspect the packaging for tampering. If anything looks off, don't use it. Contact support. Think of your hardware wallet as a parachute. You want the real thing, not a knockoff. Your security is worth it. Your wallet's here. Time to set it up right. This is the first step in protecting your digital assets, so take your time and don't rush the process. Connect it to your computer, carefully follow the prompts, and create a strong, unique PIN that you'll remember, but no one else can guess. The device will generate a recovery phrase. Write it down by hand in the exact order shown. This phrase is your lifeline to your crypto. Never store this phrase digitally or take a photo, no matter how convenient it seems. Digital copies can be hacked or stolen. Keep it offline, in a fireproof safe or another secure spot only you can access. Treat it as you would your most valuable possession. Double check every word in the order. Even a single mistake could lock you out of your funds forever. If you lose this phrase, you lose your crypto forever. There's no customer support or password reset in the world of crypto. Some people engrave it on metal for extra protection, making it resistant to fire, water, and time. Your wallet device can be replaced if lost or broken. Your recovery phrase cannot. It's the true key to your assets. Treat it like it's worth $1 million, because it might be one day. Its value is only limited by what you store. This is your digital fortress. Guard it well, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your crypto is safe. Time to move your crypto into your vault. Buy crypto on a reputable exchange, then get your receiving address from your hardware wallet. Always verify the address on your device matches what's on your computer. Malware can swap addresses. Start with a small test transaction. Wait for it to arrive. Once confirmed, transfer the rest. This extra step can save you from disaster. Never rush. Always double check. Your funds are safest in your own custody. That's real control. Want to sell your crypto? Here's how to do it safely. Get the deposit address from your exchange, then send crypto from your hardware wallet. Always confirm the address on your device matches the exchange's. Approve the transaction on your wallet. This is your offline signature. Once the crypto arrives, sell it for cash and withdraw to your bank. Take your time and verify every step. You stay in control from start to finish. That's the smart way to move your money. Now, you know exactly how to use a hardware wallet to protect your crypto and invest smarter. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And for more tips every week, follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We're building your better financial future together.